Good morning, class. I'm so excited to see you. It's the first official day of school. I know I met you all yesterday. Today's our first day that we're going to start learning how to operate Google Classroom. It's going to be so exciting, and I can't wait for us to get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this is what the reading, language arts, and writing assignments will all be posted under language arts right here. So when you open your Google Classroom, you'll go to Language Arts. This is the very first page, and any announcements that I have, anything that you guys want to say to me, y'all can post stuff here, and any announcements I have will post right here. When you want to look at your assignments, come right over here to Classwork. Under Today's Work will be all your assignments for the day. So this morning, Tuesday morning, under Today's Work, we'll have all the assignments that you need to complete for language arts, reading, and writing. At the end of the day, if you didn't finish all of your assignments for today, when you open up your Google Classroom tomorrow, what's left you didn't finish will be right here under this week. And your new assignments for Wednesday will be posted under Today's Work. So if you don't finish them all in one day, that is completely fine. Just scroll down here and they'll be listed the next day under this week. Right here under resources today, there is several tutorial videos to explain to you how to use Google Meets. And Google Meets is what we'll be using every morning for our class meeting. We can all log on under Google Meets and chit chat with each other. And then Google Meets is what I will be using during the day, during the live time, if you have any questions or you need to talk to me about anything. And right here under resources is a tutorial video that explains how to use all of those things. So every day I want you to come over here, log on, go to Today's Work. Here's just one little thing I put for today, and it's a slide. Google Slides, all about me. You'll just click on that and it's going to go right here to the slideshow about me, and it's going to tell you all the things about me. And you're going to be filling out one of these today to tell me all about your favorite things. And y'all can read this just by clicking on the slides and going through it. It's very simple. And then you can come right back now to Today's Work. So when y'all log on Tuesday morning, you will see all of the assignments right here under Today's Work that you will need to complete for today. If you have any questions, if you have any problems, you can always log on at 12:50 or at 2:40 to Google Meets, and we can talk about any questions that you had, or we can go over any work that you didn't understand. But for today, we're just going to have you fill out a little assignment to tell me all about yourself, and that will actually be posted under Social Studies. So I will be teaching you reading, language arts, and writing. Ms. Soto will be teaching you math, science, and social studies. So the only assignment you have to do today is posted under social studies, and it's an all about me slide to so I can get information and learn more things about you. Tomorrow, Wednesday, when you log on, there'll be assignments in each class for you to complete. So English, language arts, and writing assignments will all be posted in the language arts classroom, and then math, science, and social studies will be posted in Miss Soto's math, science, and social studies classroom. So please, if you have any questions, let me know. It's going to be a great year, and I'm super excited to get this started.